Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to try to help you with the problem of you not being able to delete all of your videos in bunch. If you have a lot of videos, it will be really hard to delete them one by one. So basically within the TikTok application you don't really have an option to delete all of your videos in bunch, but instead what you can do is you can tap on the profile on the bottom right corner, then tap on the three lines on the top right corner, then go to settings and privacy, and you just need to click on activity center. Then you need to click on manage post visibility, and here you can basically change all of your posts to private. You also need to change them one by one, but this is a much faster solution than tapping the three lines with every video and then clicking delete and clicking OK. So this is basically much faster. You just need to choose the videos which you want to make private and just click only you, and basically all of your videos are now private and nobody's able to see them, only you. Alright, so all in all, this is how you can make all of your videos private on TikTok, which is basically almost the same as deleting your videos. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.